Oh, wow. Oh, you too. It's me, Shannon, on the go.
It's in the morning, like it's in the video.
Okay. Okay, let's get started. Islamis Garcia, Islamis Garcia. Okay, so, look, came out all up, came out. Okay, so guys, let's do the poke test.
Excellent. Now
It sounds like jiggly slime, but it's not jiggly.
Poke test?
It's definitely not jiggly. Wait, is it jiggly? Try wiggling it around. Is it jiggly, guys? Come down with no, it's not jiggly.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's take out for a ribbon on it, guys. Wow, look at this. Oh, oh no, that don't look right. Okay, guys. Haley video was currently 15 minutes long on the slime review, and I want you to go subscribe to her channel. Her channel will be a link in the description, guys. For sure. Okay, let's get this started. Let's get this on the video.
Okay, now I'm gonna make a bubble for BJ, and then he's gonna crunch it by himself because I crunched it by myself this time, and he didn't crunch it by himself. Oh, okay, he just poked it.
That's the great poke. Oh. Haley told me how to do it. She taught me how to do it. She can make bubbles. I can't.
I'm gonna teach him how to do slime stuff without getting over his head.
Okay, I can do like you gotta go do. You gotta move fast though.
I don't.
Okay, look how fast I can move. Ooh. See, you get on my slime and I move fast.
It's kind of jiggly slime, but okay.
Sure.
Won't you take on a muscle relax?
Okay, guys, that's the video. It wasn't that long because my channel is not really for slime. Haley's channel, Haley's channel is for slime, and mine is for no gun violence. Mine is for reaction videos and stuff like that, guys. Okay.
Mine too. I'm gonna start doing reaction videos.
Y'all know what the deal is. Scoot back, Haley. Scoot back. You gotta scoot back. There we go. Okay. You know, like. Scoot over, comment, subscribe. Adios, YouTube.